Today, we're bringing you along as we wrap up our 2025 trip to Thailand. We'll kick things off first with my wife's hometown of Suphan Buri, and then we're heading down to the beachside community of Jomtien, just south of Pattaya for a relaxing getaway by the ocean. And finally, we'll close things out back here in Bangkok to enjoy the city for a couple more days before flying back home. Checking out these fish, I guess. 3 So we got some seafood, and this guy is going to wheel it back to the car for us. It's kind of cool. There we go. Back out in the countryside, Suphan Buri. Looks like they're drying out some meat here right here. After visiting a fish market just outside of Bangkok, we drove to Suphan Buri for a quick overnight stay, where we met up with some of my wife's family. The rice fields in this area were especially beautiful this time of year. And the next morning, we all headed south together toward our beach house rental in Jomtien. After about a 2-hour drive, we arrived at the Samaesarn Seafood Market, and we loaded up on fresh shrimp, crab, and other seafood for our lunch at the nearby beach, and also to enjoy later back at the beach house later this evening. Hey, what's this one? Just fake fruit? And back at the same beach I was about a year ago. We're gonna have a picnic up there, some lunch, before we head to our AirBNB later on. This is a place known as EOD, and it's adjacent to a naval area. And EOD stands for Explosive Ordnance Disposal. But they've turned this into like a campground area. There's a beach here, it's pretty nice. This is a look of the house from the outside. So we arrived at AirBNB. House is located right across from the other house that's next to the ocean. But we have access to that beach over there. It's an outdoor area. Take a walk around the front yard right here. And the front yard just seamlessly connects with the backyard. Swimming pool's right here. Looks just like the photos. It looks just like the photos.
Yeah.
Cool. Nice. Oh wow. That was big. Dang guys, what do you think? This place is pretty huge, huh? Oh wow, right, access right to the pool, huh? Sweet, man. And then we're gonna go, this is the kitchen. Whoa, big step there, left out. Go ahead. Sing it. Has anybody been up here yet? Let's see. Whoa. It's pretty big, like wide open. We're on the second story. Got a view of the pool downstairs. Come over here. This is the master bedroom. The second bedroom over here with like 3 smaller beds and then another master.
Yeah.
It's like too big.
How much?
Wow.
Per night?
This is enormous, right?
How much per night?
Only like $350 per night. This is huge. Like, so this is another master bedroom and bath. Yeah. About 9,000 baht a night. Yeah. Huge though. Like this bathroom is like bigger than my house. I mean, you need a bathroom this big? It's kind of crazy. Look at the sinks with the mirror, seating area, bathtub, toilet over there, shower. This thing is just like enormous. You come out here and you got the view of the pool again too. I'm gonna take a dip in there later. Come back on this side, we have another enormous patio. Dang. This is gonna be good for like outdoor at nighttime. Oh, and then the ocean's right there. There's the ocean. Ocean across the way. I think you can go to the beach right there. Nice. Rain was coming that way, now it cleared up. Looks good. Well, that's an overall tour of the house. I'm gonna go jump in the pool and grab a beer. What do you think, Lee? Is it too small? It's too small, huh? I think we need to get a bigger one. We gotta get one that's twice this size next time. All right. Time to grab a drink, guys. See you soon. All right, guys. We're sitting down to dinner here pretty soon. We got quite the spread. Look at this. In the seafood market. Wow, what are those? Huge crabs, huh? They started out like a bluish color. Now they're red when you cook them. Very good. Look at this down here. Shrimp. Huge fish. More crabs. We've come back down to the beach for sunset. And although it's cloudy, the color of the sky, it's pretty nice. And there's someone jet skiing down here too. Other people have come down to the beach to check it out as well. After checking out of our Airbnb, we headed to a nearby beach to relax for the afternoon before making the long drive back to Suphan Buri. So I was going to walk that way, but I can see there's a couple of jellyfish down in there. I'm gonna head back to shore and see if they're eating lunch, what the plan is next. After a quick stop at the nearby beach, we drove over to the Shark Cafe for a break. Inside, it was cool and comfortable, with great views of the harbor where fishing boats and passenger vessels to nearby islands were docked. It was the perfect place to relax and unwind and escape the heat before the 4-hour drive back to Suphan Buri. We enjoyed some cake and iced coffee, and then it was time to get back on the road. Here's one last look at the harbor and the ocean before we go. Up the side of the road from some guys probably growing it back here a few hundred yards back. It's the real deal. It's like super soft, different than any kind of bad US.
It's still real.
Whoa. Beautiful. I'm going to go on the other side too so you can see it. Wow. is what durian looks like when you cut it out the piece right there. How large that is. That's a huge one. Wow. Okay, it's my last day here in Suphan Buri. I'll be checking out this hotel, the Tolopoti. Heading back to pick up my wife at her house nearby, and then we're gonna go back to Bangkok for one more day. See, at our hotel, they provide free bicycles as well. Before heading out, I decided to walk around and explore the resort a little bit more. Looks like they've done a great job at updating the place. Stepping stones to cross. Well, that's a quick look at the Tolopoti Hotel and Resort. Like I said before, it's time to head out. We're gonna head back to Bangkok today. One more day before I head back to the US. This is one last look at our hotel. Later that evening, we arrived back in Bangkok and checked into the Easton Grand Hotel Sathon, conveniently located near the St. Louis BTS station. Our room had an amazing view of the King Power Mahachai Tower and the city below. And right now, I'm heading over to the nearby One Bangkok shopping mall to grab a quick bite to eat at the Shake Shack before heading back out to enjoy one last evening in Bangkok. Let's go. Okay, we're heading out. This is the last night in Bangkok. The next morning, I awoke in Bangkok, feeling energized, and I couldn't wait to start the day. I headed straight to the rooftop pool for one last swim, soaking in the incredible city skyline and vibrant streets below before a flight later that evening. Up next, we're off to explore the stunning Joshua Tree National Park in California. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.